So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I will provide you the complete information about top 20 college cutoff of UPSW or UPTU counseling. That you also know, this is the state level counseling of UP colleges. So most of the colleges are very good colleges, and I will consider the top 20 college that you should look, and here all type of student are eligible, that is home state as well as other state. Obviously if you are from home state, you will be getting the advantage of that. If you are general, OBC, SC, ST, you will be getting the category advantage as well. So if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so you will be getting the complete information about UPTU counseling as well as other entrance exam, other counseling also, everything I will be providing you category wise. This is the unique feature of this channel. I will cover all category. I will provide you all the update and information at the right time in the same channel. So please try to subscribe. So basically here I will consider the safe rank for top 20 colleges, home state, other state, all categories, CSC, EC and lower possible branch as well for all the colleges. So please try to watch the video till the end. Here I will consider all the colleges. So here is the first college, that is Dronacharjee Group of Institution. Here is the information for general. O means outside of UP state. So here is the cutoff, that is for general CSC 475,000, it is 4,75,000. Up to that also you will get if you will do the counseling very carefully. And for lowest possible branch you will able to get up to 7.8 lakh as well. There is no category wise reservation available, that's why I haven't provided you the different type of cutoff, but for other college that is available and I will try to provide you. Mostly in the government college category wise reservation are available. So now let's talk about the next college, IMS Engineering College. So here is the information for general outside 4.6 lakh, that is for CSC, and for lower you can get up to 5 lakh, but for the general student, for home state student, it will go up to 7.7 lakh, and for lowest possible branch up to 8 lakh also you will able to get. So one more thing I would like to inform you, that if you want the complete counseling guidance of your UPTU counseling or Jack Delhi counseling, JOSA counseling, CSEF, any type of counseling, whatever you will do based on JEE rank as well as other counseling rank, Comet K, AEEE, I will be guiding you completely. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you register, I will be guiding you completely, and the unique feature of my guidance is that I will be connected to you all the time from now up to your admission is done, and there will be no limit on call duration as well as number of call. You can call me any number of time, because it is all about the complete support that you should have all the time, because you can do the mistake anytime, and of course you have done the 2 years of hard work, and once you do mistake in counseling process, other will take the advantage of that, because number of seat is limited, a student are unlimited. So that's why I will be guiding you so that you will able to join the best college. If you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge for that. Please try to understand it, because you will take my personal time and it takes lots of time, so I will charge a little bit for that. That is very nominal. Once you register, thereafter no need to worry, up to your admission is done, I will be guiding you. So if you want, then only try to contact me. If you think you know everything, you can do it by yourself, no need to contact me, because you have all the information. But generally a student don't have the information about counseling process, because it needs experience. There is nothing to use about class 11 12 syllabus. It is all about the technical thing, so that I will be guiding you, because I have the experience from last 3-4 years. So hope you get my point. So let's continue this video, that is IEC College of Engineering. So for general 7.4 lakh, that is for CSC, and lower 8.1 lakh also you will get. And for Anand College of Engineering, Agra, so here is the information, 7.5 lakh for general student home state, and for general other state is 4.2 lakh, and lower you will able to get 7 to 8 lakh also. So here is the information for Rajkumar Goyal Institute of Technology. For general 3.4 lakh, that is outside, and home state 7 lakh, that is for CSC, and for EC 8 lakh, lower also you will able to get 8 or 8.5 lakh also, because these are the colleges most students don't know. That's why most students don't apply, and those students who will apply, those students will able to get up to very high rank also. So now let's talk about the next college, that is Firoz Gandhi Institute of Engineering. So here is the information for general outside 2.7 lakh, for CSC, EC 8.5 lakh, lower 8.5 lakh. For general home state 5 lakh, that is for CSC, and lower you will able to get up to 7.5 or 8 lakh as well. And for EWS 5.2 lakh, for CSC, for lower you will able to get 7.8 lakh also. For like for BC, that is OBC category 6.3 lakh, for CSC home state. Obviously if you are from home state, then only you will able to get the category reservation. If you are from other state, even if you are from SC or ST, you will be treated as a general candidate, and there is the number of seat that is fixed for other state, home state, because home state a student will get the reservation benefit obviously. So that's why home state students are able to get at higher rank as well. So for SC 7.5 and 8 lakh, and ST there is no reservation. Rajkiya Engineering College, Bijnor. So here is the information for general 2.1 lakh, that is outside, and for general home state 2.3 lakh, and for OBC 2.5 lakh, SC 5.7 lakh, ST 8 lakh. So this was all about Rajki Engineering College Bijnor. So next let's talk about the Raja Balvjit Singh Engineering College. Here is the information for general 4.25 lakh. This was CSE EC outside, and for home state it is 6.2 and 7 lakh. It is 7 lakh, not 6 lakh. So now let's talk about Rajki College of Engineering Banda. So here is the information: general 1.55 lakh, and that is outside, and for general home state 1.75 lakh, EWS 1.9 lakh, OBC 2 lakh, SC 7 lakh, ST up to 4 lakh. Rajki Engineering College Azamgarh. Here is the information for general 2.7 lakh, that is outside. For home state general 3.7, EWS 5.3, OBC 4.3, SC 8.2 and ST up to 5 lakh also you will able to get. So one more time I would like to inform you, at the time of counseling process I will be guiding you completely for choice filling, decision making after each round, and it is not limited to only UPTU counseling but for JOSA counseling, CSEP counseling, JAC Delhi, MST CET, all type of counseling whatever you will do this year, committee also I will be guiding you so that you will able to join the best college, and also I will guide you for WJ counseling. So now let's talk about ABES College of Engineering. So here is the information for general outside 87,000, that is for CSE EC 90,000 and lower 3 lakh, and for general home state CSE 1.4 lakh and for lower 4.2 lakh, EWS 1.7 4.3, OBC 1.7 5.7, SC 6.3 8 lakh. Now let's talk about GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. So here is the information for general 94 6 lakh 7 lakh, that is for CSE EC lower, general that is home state 1.8 lakh 7.5 lakh, EWS 1.9 8 lakh, BC 2 lakh 8 lakh, SC 7 lakh 8 lakh, that is for CSE and lowest possible branch. So now let's talk about Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. So here is the information, but before that one more time I would like to inform you, if you are watching this video and you are from other state than UP, then you will be treated as only general candidate, because there will be no separate category wise reservation for other state, but obviously for home state it will be available. So now let's talk about for general other state 74,000, it is for Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College. For EC 1.8 lakh, lower 7.1 lakh. General 80,000 3.2 lakh, that is for EC lower 7.8 lakh. For EWS 82 6 lakh 7.9 lakh. OBC 91 5.6 7.7 lakh, and for SC 3.1 6 lakh 8 lakh, ST 3.2 6 lakh and 8 lakh again. So now let's talk about next one, that is KIET group of institutions. So here is the information for general outside 1,15,000, for CSE EC 2.45 lakh, that is 2,45,000, lower up to 4 lakh, and for general home state 1.6 lakh 4 lakh and 4 lakh again, and for it is 4 lakh not 4,000, it is 4 lakh for EC general home state, and for EWS 4 lakh, OBC 1.7 and 4.5 lakh, SC 7 lakh 8 lakh and ST 6.5 and 7 lakh, because there will be separate reservation for OBC, SC, ST, EWS, that is number of seat will be reserved for them, that's why the cutoff is higher as compared to general category.
So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number, and after that take the photo of your question and upload that in the app, and after that within 60 seconds you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box, and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount.
So now let's talk about Institute of Engineering and Rural Technology, IERT. Here is the information for general outside 71 and 6.5 lakh, that is 71,000 and 6.5 lakh. For general home state 1,15,000 7.6 lakh, EWS 1.38 lakh, OBC 1.38 lakh again, and for SC 3 lakh 8 lakh and ST 3 lakh. And for Galgotia College of Engineering Technology, so here is the information for general 82 1.9 7.2 lakh, that is for outside general. For home state 91 6 lakh 8 lakh, and for EWS 3 lakh, BC, that is OBC 1.2 and 3.4 lakh, SC 3.58 lakh, ST 4.8 and 6 lakh rank, that is for CSE and lowest possible branch. So now let's talk about BIET Jhansi. So here is the information: general other state 50,000 70,000 1 lakh, that is for CSE EC lower. For general home state 55 77 and 1.2 lakh rank, and EWS 56 78 1.3 lakh rank. And one more time I would like to inform you, these are the cutoff that will be applicable once you do better counseling, that is up to the last round. So next, if you talk about for OBC 60 79 and 1.3 lakh, and for SC 1.7 2.1 and 2.8 lakh rank. Now if you talk about JSS Noida, for general other state 52,000 97,000, for EC lower 3.6 lakh, for general home state 60,000 1.3 lakh 7.2 lakh, EWS 1 lakh, 1.4, and 7.3 lakh. And for OBC 72, 1.5 lakh and 7.5 lakh. That is for CSE it is 72,000, and for EC and lower it is 1.5 and 7.5 lakh. For SC 2 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh. Now if you talk about Kamala Nehru Institute of Technology, here is the information. That is for general 44,000, for CSC other state student lower 96,000, and for home state general it is 50,000 and 1 lakh 5,000, and for EWS 51, 1.1 lakh, OBC 55,000 and 1.1 lakh, that is 1 lakh 10,000, SC 1.5, 2.5 lakh, ST 2.75 and 8 lakh rank. Now let's talk about the last college that I am considering in this video, that is IET Lucknow. So here is the information. For general outside 27, 44, 83,000, for general home state 32, 48, 85,000, for EWS 35, 51 and 86,000, for OBC 37, 55 and 88,000, and for SC 1.2 lakh, 1.6 lakh, 1.8 lakh. It is for CSE, EC and lower possible branch, and for ST it is 3.3 lakh. It is for lowest possible branch. So hope you get this information very useful for you. This is all about the top 20 colleges under UPTU counseling, that is UPSEE counseling as well. That is also called UPSEE counseling. So hope you get this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe this channel, and similar type of video I will try to provide you for lower college also, that you can get at very high rank also, that is CSE branch, very soon in this same channel. So please try to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information, and I will also get some support from your side. Thanks.